Ano
Yes
po ba,
po.
paano po ba ang plano ng Administrasyong Marcos after what happened? Ano po ang directives ni Pangulo?
Well, napag-usap-usapan po namin with the President actually itong mga nangyayaring flood control project. And sa ngayon po, actually, well, we just took over 2 years back.
Opo.
And marami naman po kaming pinagpatuloy na yung mga proyekto na ginagawa pero hindi man natapos lahat dahil nga doon sa natalag at sa mga pandemic area, Pero pinagpatuloy po namin dito. So, ang sinasabi nga namin, marami naman all over the country, nagawa po namin yung about 5,000, mahigit na 5,000 flood control projects. And itong mga flood control projects na sinasabi namin, are actually yung mga projects that started in 2019, 2021, 22, 23. No? So, anyway, pinagpatuloy po namin dito. And this infrastructure projects that we're talking about, ito po yung mga flood control projects that would provide immediate protection to low-lying areas. And at the same time, when we took over, we continued actually yung implementation of yung mga flood control program, flood control management program in major river basins. Ito yung pong malalaking projects na in major river basins all over the country, including Metro Manila po. So, we are continuing with all the flood control projects naman po. All over. And the President
Yes po.
has additional instructions that yung mga master plans that have been developed years back.
Yes.
Sabi niya, if you can, look at them and see to it that ang important dito is actually that we try to mitigate the flood waters to come down by siguro tingnan natin kung makagawa tayo ng mga impounding reservoirs doon pa natin source as a flood water source. So
Okay.
these are the things that gagawin po namin.
Okay, kasi Sec, 'di ba? Yung flood ko sinasabi nga may master plan tayo, pero
Opo.
luma na 'yon. So kailangan updated na kasi iba na rin yung sitwasyon natin eh. Kung titingnan natin dun sa nangyaring naranasan po natin, 'di ba? Nitong nagdaang linggo, baka
Yes,
may
po.
mga hindi na akma na nakapasok dun sa master plan. So pag-aaralan po 'yan, and how long will that take? And go ahead
Yes,
po.
of course, yung maraming, there are 18 river basins in the country and lahat ito, meron ho yung mga master plans na nito that were prepared years back. Kasalukuyan po ngayon that some of these master plans are being updated. Itong mga river basin programs kasi are mostly being implemented through official development assistance, yung mga foreign assisted programs sinasabi natin. So, some of them are now being updated and some of them are being implemented now. In Metro Manila, yung Metro Manila kasi, the master plan in Metro Manila as we nalatan namin is actually yung master plan that was prepared after the Ondoy phenomenon in 2012. And I think this is the master plan that we are still implementing components po nito.